Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm here at the beautiful Panjim City. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you around Panjim City. I'm going to show you the situation right now. This is not to promote tourism or anything. This is just to show you guys what it is like here in Goa right now. So behind me right now is the beautiful docks of the casinos, and we're just going to go around and check it out, guys. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the beautiful docks over here of the Big Daddy Casino. So these boats over here are very beautiful. This is a catamaran, I think. I don't really know what it's called, but over here you have the maintenance crew. They are still there because they have to service all the boats here. Okay, and look at that, guys. Look at the view, so beautiful. Okay, so right over here is the Adil Shah Palace. Now most people don't really know that this is actually a museum here. So this is actually a museum that you can go to free of cost. They have a lot of nice things to see, and when tourism opens up or whatever, it'll be nice for people to come here and check it out. This is the flagpole of the India flag. Every day they hoist it and they bring it down at around 6 o'clock in the evening. So look at the view, guys, so beautiful. So okay, let's look in the distance. So all the boats have now been brought in for these are all fishing trawlers. So Goa is famous, of course, for fishing, but now because of the season is closed for fishing, the boats have all been brought in here. This is a beautiful restaurant called Watermark. Okay, so if you're ever in Goa and you want a romantic dinner or a nice evening dinner, then you can come to this place. Very beautiful. So I'm basically just giving you guys a little walking tour of Panjim City. Okay guys, so right now I'm in a beautiful hidden gem of Goa. So this right here is a main road in Panjim City, which is going towards the main Miramar beach. Now this road has these beautiful trees over here. These are very old trees, and if you can see here, all these amazing trees here. So the whole path is so beautiful, guys. So let me just continue to walk down here. There's a walking footpath over here which people come to walk in the evenings here. So this is the walking path here, and also there is a garden, beautiful garden here, which is called the Bhagwan Mahavir Garden, which is a park basically. So why I wanted to show you guys this place is because of these majestic trees here. So as you can see here, let's just look at the whole area here. This whole road is, let me just run across the road a little bit. Yes, don't worry about my safety, guys. There's not much people here right now. So if you see the road here, it is so beautiful. Look at the trees which come like over the road, and these trees may be 100-200 years old. And this is a beautiful part of nature here in Goa, and I just wanted to show you guys what it's like over here. So as you can see, this street is majestic, and let's just go to the park area and I'll just show you what the park looks like as well. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you guys the garden or the park here. So this is a very beautiful park here. So this is the park I was telling you guys about, and in the distance, if you can see over there, there's a little waterway basically. So let me just go inside and show you guys what the waterway looks like from inside. Okay, so we're just going to head inside the park. This is completely free. Anybody can come into this park here, and it is so beautiful here. So this is a statue of Buddha here. So not many tourists or people come here, sadly. So most of the time you will find the park quite empty, even in non-corona times. So this is a small little waterway right now because of the rains. It's dirty, but they clean it otherwise. And there's this little fort here, and this basically they have a boating system which is over there. So you pay about 10 rupees and you can do boating in this area. For here there is a lot of children's play items to do there in that side. And in the distance is also the sea, which is the Mandovi river over there. So if you want to go to the Mandovi river also, you can go and sit by the beach. Also from here, it's a small little beach ahead over there. So I might get kicked out because of security. But I see people in the distance. Okay, so there are people actually at the beach right now. So I just wanted to show you guys some beautiful places that we have here besides beaches, you know, in Goa. And it's a very beautiful garden, and I spent a lot of time in my childhood, you know, playing over here on this grass itself. Of course the grass must be new, but yeah, I spent a lot of time here. And these are the beautiful trees that I was telling you guys about. So this is a beautiful garden to come to anytime you're in Goa. And yeah, you get some great Instagram pictures. There's a bridge over there in the distance where people click nice Instagram. In fact, there are people right now clicking some Instagram pictures at the moment at the bridge there. So if you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's a pretty cool place, guys. So yeah guys, so this is from here at the garden. We'll go and check out some other places in Panjim city now, guys. Okay guys, so another little sneak peek of Panjim, the casinos here. So as you can see, all the casinos are completely shut here. So there is no flashing lights like you would see during season time. So all the boats are completely shut. I don't know when they will open up again. For as of now, I don't think they'll open anytime soon. So as you can see, the casinos here are all closed. Okay guys, so this is another very beautiful garden here in Panjim city. It's right next to the Panjim church. So that is the Panjim church just around the corner there. And most people never come here because they never realize that this beautiful garden exists over here. So let me just go a little ahead and show you guys a beautiful place where you can click amazing Instagram pictures. So if you see there in the distance, that is a very beautiful place which you can click Instagram pictures there. And this garden is so beautiful and well taken care of in the heart of Panjim city, guys. So let's move on to the next place. Okay guys, so showing you Panjim city without showing you the Latin Quarter would not complete the Panjim city little tour. So this is the Latin Quarter, also known as Fontainhas. So this is a beautiful area with old Portuguese houses over here. So as you can see here, there are different Portuguese houses and different colors. This is Instagram paradise. At the moment it is completely empty. There are no people at all. So let us just walk ahead over here, and you can see this is the famous Joseph Bar here. So I've showed you guys this in the video before. This is the famous Joseph Bar. You can come here and have some amazing times. Live the life you love, Bob Marley. So over here they have a word called Mogasundi, means keep the love. Okay guys, so this is the Portuguese Quarter. I will do an in-depth video of this area. I will show you all the beautiful houses here. Not only that, I will show you and explain to you the history of this area and of all these houses and tell you the stories. Basically, I am from this area, so my ancestral place is close by here. So I will show you this whole area and I will give you all the information and show you how beautiful this place is, guys. So let's move on to the next place. Okay guys, so right now we are in the heart of Panjim city, which is the Mary Immaculate Church. This is one of the most beautiful churches in Panjim city, and it is the most beautiful church, I think, in Panjim city. And right next to this, I'm going to give you a little tour of this area. Right next to this is a place called Shamsuddin, which has the best lemon soda you'll ever get in Goa. So they have this bottled lemon soda. It belongs to my friend, the shop. It's a very nice place. And let me just show you guys around. So this is Singhbal's bookshop. So this is a very famous bookshop here in Goa. And this building, if you click pictures there, actually most people don't realize, but if you click pictures there, you get amazing Instagram pictures there. And it's really sad to see the city completely empty like this. So a few of the homeless people are sleeping here and living here at the moment, but otherwise you can see the city is completely empty. All the shops are closed, but it's one of the most beautiful places in Goa. And that is the garden I just showed you guys in the clip before. So guys, that is it here in Goa. Just a little Panjim tour to show you guys how it is right now, guys. So guys, that is it from here in Goa and Panjim city. I hope you like this video. I just wanted to go around and show you some places and basically the situation here right now, guys. Hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe.